let's go to factor number 4. So factor number 4, I took it to be the minimum amount that you need to venture into that particular investment that you want. Because you might be you might be so much interested in government securities, but ofiki bei. So let's consider, okay, the minimum amount that you need to start, or the frequency of the amount that you need to place, is also key when it comes to choosing this between the four institutions that we are comparing here. And we can say for the banks, I think for the majority of the banks, there is no set minimum amount that you cannot deposit, either initial deposit or frequent or subsequent deposits. So let's say even the amount, the minimum is 100 Bob. I'm talking about 100 Kenya shillings. Maybe the initial deposit and the subsequent deposit. There is no limit. Like you see, there is no limitation that you must deposit 100,000 anytime you are depositing money into your bank account. There's no such limitations. Of course, maybe in some banks they are there, but we are talking about the common banks that we have. For money market funds, I know here there will be a fight because for some you can deposit as low as 100 shillings, and for others you can only deposit a minimum of 1,000. But I still consider these amounts to be within the reasonable figures for levels that we can discuss. So even if there can be set amount, it's not too high, because 1,000 maybe it's not that too high, given that we hear the case when it comes to treasury bonds and bills. So I think the same thing with the SACCOs, and you find that some SACCOs has what we call minimum monthly deposit, like an amount that you must save, every month, regardless kama unataka ama hutaki. Some SACCOs has amounts that you need to deposit every month, and let's put this at around 1,000. So that is for SACCOs. When it comes to government securities, the amount that you need to deposit, or the amount that you need for you to buy a piece of treasury bill or treasury bond, the minimum amount is 50,000. So that is the case. And so considering minimum